Are you tired of this?
For our nerd battalion, press 1.
What the?
Press 4 to speak to our intern.
Huh?
For the post office, say your name backwards.
Oh,
At Gibbys, there's no ridiculous phone system. We offer expert advice on the best electronics so you can buy with confidence. Gibbys is a fully authorized dealer for the leading brands including Sony, Samsung, LG, Alpine, Sonos, Denon, Klipsch, Technica, and many more. Gibbys has the biggest and best selection in Canada, helping you power your home, work, and play. And hey, don't forget your ride. Whether it's your car, boat, ATV, or even that tractor trailer, we've got the tech to upgrade them all. If it runs on wheels or water, we can wire it. At Gibbys, our commitment goes way beyond the sale. We offer professional custom installation, services for TVs, home theaters, alarm and surveillance systems, home automation, and even those commercial projects. From boardrooms and restaurants to churches, even event halls, we ensure everything is set up and working flawlessly from day one. So call or visit Gibbys today for the best price guaranteed. Because who wants to deal with?
Press 9 for a list of things we aren't responsible for.
Gibbys, the tech you need, the service you trust.